In this session, we learn about different text functions available to us, which lets us extract specific portion of the words that we have entered into Excel. So, beginning with the session, let's just first come to know about the length function. Now, the length function in Excel helps us identify what is the total number of alphabets that we have in a word in an Excel cell. So in this case, as in the cell of A6, I really just want to find out how many different alphabets are there in my cell A6. And to know such kind of a thing, all I need to do is use the length formula. And the length formula is represented by len, and it begins with writing the equal to over here and then going for len, and it asks me the cell reference in which my text lies, closing the bracket and pressing the enter button. Oh, so we have 7 as the result in our cell C6, and it tells me that in the letters India, sorry, in the word India, there are 7 alphabets, which we all know is not. Now, this is what I really wanted to show out of this example. The length function not just tells you what are the different number of alphabets in a word in Excel, it also includes the spaces. So you can see if I were to go on to India over here and click on the formula bar, you can see the cursor appears 2 spaces away from the last A in the India word. So that is the reason. 2 spaces plus 5 alphabets make 7, and that is what you're getting. Uh, uh, so any other time, say you want to find out the total number of alphabets in your name, for example. So always do remember that the len function is going to count the space between your first name and last name also. So now the length function is going to help us eventually while when we are trying to extract some portion of the strings we put into Excel, and we begin by extracting formulas by using the extracting formulas of left and right and mid eventually. So I've presented a problem over here. So what if I wanted to extract the first 5 letters out of this word in cell A2? So what do I need to do in this? So to achieve such kind of a situation, I need to go on to the required cell, press the equal to button and type in left. Now it tells me that it will extract the specified number of characters from a word from the left side. So in this case, as you can see, I want to extract, say, some letters from the left side of the word, and all I need to do is go to the cell reference over here. It tells me that I want to extract some words from the contents of cell A2. Press up a comma, and it tells me how many number of characters do you want to extract. Now, if I say 5 and then press the close bracket over here, press enter, there you go. It gives me the first 5 alphabets in the word Microsoft Excel over here. And this is what we wanted. And we can use the same kind of criteria for Microsoft Word also and Microsoft PowerPoint also. By using our autofill options, we have copy pasted the formula from cell B2 to B3 to B4. This is about extracting the the first 5 alphabets from a word in Excel. Now let's move forward and discuss about how do we extract, say, the last 5 alphabets in Excel. So in this case, I want to extract the last 5 words that are coming up over here in this word Microsoft Excel. So to achieve such kind of a thing, we need to go on to the required cell, press in right, go on to the cell, and again type in the number of characters. I want 5. Pressing the enter button would yield Excel. So that is exactly what we wanted. We wanted, since in the word Microsoft Excel, the last 5 words are Excel itself. So this is what it is giving me right now. Now using the autofill option, I'm going to drag and paste in the formulas from C2 to C3, C4, and you can see when I applied this formula on Microsoft Word, which you can see is being represented right now, it is giving me an answer of space word, because that is in fact the case. The last 5 words in this phrase over here are space word, and this is what it is giving me over here. Now the same kind of a logic holds for a point also, and you can see It is giving me point here also. And last but not the least, we're going to discuss about the mid formula. And the mid formula is quite in conjunction to the left and the right formulas which we discussed. And it lets you extract a specific portion of the strings from within the string. So if you want, what are the different words that appear between the third alphabet and the seventh alphabet? So mid is the formula that you need to use. And say in this case, I need to know what are the different alphabets between the third letter and this and the seventh letter in this word. So I need to first type in the start number, that is third, and from that onwards I need to give you the number of characters. So the number of alphabets between 3 and 7 are 4. So I type in 4 over here, press the close bracket button, press enter, and there you go. It tells me that the words beginning with 3 and ending with the seventh alphabet is CROS, and you can see that is the case. So C is the third alphabet, and from C itself I wanted mid function to give me 4 letters after C, which also includes C itself, and this is what it has given me, CROS. And if I wanted to apply same kind of a thing with the Microsoft Word and PowerPoint, again I need to use the drop the functionality of autofill. So you can see it gives me the same result. C is the third alphabet, R is the fourth, O is the fifth, and S is the sixth. So from 3 to 7 there are 4 words itself when we include the third letter itself, and that is what the mid function is going to give you. So this is all about the length, the mid, left, and the right function available to us in Excel. Thank you for watching.